Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Who's got a mother? A mum? A mama?
Do you have a father? A dad? A papa?
What about siblings? A sister? A brother? And grandparents? Nan and Pop? Granddad and Grandma?
Your whānau might live in your house. They might live on your street. Some might live far, far away, and seeing them might be a treat. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Do you have an auntie? She's the sister of your mum or dad. What about uncles? He's the brother of your dad or mum.
Do you have any cousins? Do you get to play? If they live far, far away, when you see them, do you shout hooray?
Families all look different. There's not one way they all should be. You might have one, you might have none. You might have 10 or 5 or 3. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here?